Give me food, I'm hungry. Have you tried Honest Burgers in Cambridge? Because me and Doll have. And we went on a wonderful day, one of the holidays, and we utilized the bank holiday and we went in there to try their burger. So Doll went for the buffalo, which is the free range chicken burger. We ordered rosemary fries and buffalo wings with it, and I went for their Honest Burger signature burger, which is the literally called Honest Burger, and it's the beef one. So this whole restaurant was actually tucked away in the heart of Cambridge, and the ambience is really nice. You can see that it's packed right now, and we actually thankfully found space. Even though we didn't make a reservation, they found space for two of us. They really do pay a lot of attention to their customers. The customer service was epic, and as you can see, they are pretty generous with their sauce and salad and all of the other ingredients as well. And I have to say, the kitchen workers were some of the happiest I've ever met. They really enjoyed working there, and it really does show, because it helps create a very comforting and fun place to be. Now, Honest by nature is they're known for basically using honest ingredients and British ingredients, and they're great British burgers. Now, alongside with our lunches or burgers, we ordered drinks. Doll ordered a Coke, I ordered a lemonade, but I saw on their menu they had something called Karma Cola. So this is made by Karma Drinks. This is basically Coca-Cola made with all natural ingredients, so that you don't take any of the processed rubbish inside you. But you know what? I'm a big fan of Coca-Cola, and I wanted to give this a go and to see if they actually have managed to create something that can taste like Coca-Cola, but using organic ingredients. Now, this is also fair trade, so you're supporting the cause and all that, so it helps. Now, it fizzes and it looks like Coca-Cola, even though the color is not as dark. I mixed it with some ice and I gave it a little drink. The first thing that hits you is honey. It tastes, instead of sugar, they use honey. And alternatively, it's slightly like spiced rum a little bit. It's not exactly like Coke, but it's not a bad alternative if you're looking for something a bit healthier. These are the buffalo wings. They are pretty pathetic, to be honest. They are not that big. Maybe they should invest in big ones, but the flavors were all there. Now, this is the big daddy. This is the Honest Burger. Now, mine had the beef, bacon, of course, everything inside it, like the relish as well, the sweet onion relish, and they came with rosemary chips, which really do look attractive. Now, this bad boy is the buffalo. You can see the massive chunk of chicken there, and here I go, taking a massive bite, and I can taste it right now. It was scrumptious. The chicken is nice and tender, the coating was nice and crispy, great flavor in there with the sauces, and it was beautiful. This is their Honest Burger. The beef was perfectly cooked. Now, I've eaten a lot of burgers in my life, but they have cooked the patty literally perfectly. The relish really does support it really quite well. And then you have the juiciness and the tenderness of the beef, the roasted buns, which are just perfect, and the salad in it also had a dressing on it, which was lovely. Altogether, it made this fantastic combination. Look at the juiciness, look at the tenderness of the burger. The Honest Burger is definitely the one to go for when you go to Honest Burgers. This is their signature burger, and look at all that juice coming out. You can definitely tell that this is their signature for a reason. And the chicken burger is decent as well, the buffalo one. I mean, if you're a chicken fan, these are as good as they get. These burgers are phenomenal, and I can understand why so many people pack these restaurants, this restaurant to be more precise, because their food is worth it. The rosemary chips are kind of like a mixture of normal chips and french fries. They're really crunchy on the outside, super fluffy on the inside, beautiful. The wings weren't bad either, but they were just really, really small. I mean, but the flavors were all there, and they ended up putting these crunchy onions and spring onions and different kinds of things on top. Really does enhance the flavor quite a bit, but I think they're quite expensive for the amount you do get. Having said that, the flavors are all there, and these are the crunchy onion fries things that I ate. All in all, Honest Burger is a decent experience, and if you're in Cambridge, give it a go. Give me food, I'm hungry.